Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I just wanted to film a video on my Influenster haul. This is my first thing that I've ever gotten from Influenster. I haven't opened it, I've just opened it now, so it'll be my first impression with you guys. So Influenster is an app that you can download on your phone. And you just pretty much write reviews on stuff that you've tried. So like makeup, food, anything really. You just can search it up and then write a review. And it just helps people and also if you're looking for reviews on products, you can look on there too. So you have to do quite a few reviews and then you sync your Facebook and Instagram. You don't need to have a YouTube, I don't think, but you just sync your social media to it. And then it raises your impact score and also with your social media attached to it. And then whenever you qualify for a box, you'll get an email and you just fill out the survey, and if you meet the requirements or you're what they're looking for to review it, then they'll send it to you. So it just comes in this box, and you just always have to say when you get it that this was given to you for free by Influenster for you to review. So this is my first box. I have no idea what's in it, so let's open it up. And I'll link the app below if you're interested, because I think anyone can get free stuff just as long as you do enough reviews. You don't have to have a YouTube. So the first thing that I see is that it's called the VOXBOXS. All right. And the first thing in here is a David's tea little thing. So I have a free cup of tea, so that's nice because I love David's tea. And I've never tried these teas. So there's the Organic Detox, the Lemon Cayenne Cleanse, and also the Turmeric Glow. So I'm really excited to try these because I've never tried these flavors from David's tea. So I'll have to try those out and let you know. Comment below, what is your favorite teas that you guys drink? I love tea. So what are your favorite ones, favorite flavors? It doesn't have to be from David's tea, but from anywhere. And then the next one is a Cliff Bar. It says it's a nut-filled bar, coconut almond butter. That sounds really good. I've tried Cliff Bars before, but I haven't tried this flavor, so I'll have to try it. It's supposed to be an energy bar. The next is the herbal protein gummies. So I guess they are vegan and have fiber in them, and they're like a fruit gummy, I guess, with protein in it. So I'll have to try that and let you guys know. And then I got this Via World Recipes 1 bag of free Via snacks. So I haven't seen these around. I'll have to look the next time I go grocery shopping and see if that brand's carried there and try and get a free box of them to try. And that is all that's in my VOXBOXS. So that's it. And then they just want, once you've received the box, they want you to review the products. So I'll have to try these and then do a review on them. But yeah, I just wanted to share this just in case anyone was interested. I know a lot of people get like beauty products and stuff from there, which was kind of more what I was wanting, but maybe next time. This is just my first one. I'm still thankful for it because it's free products, so it's nice because then you can try new stuff. So if you're interested in Influenster, I'll leave the link down below. But yeah, if you sign up for the app, it's pretty straightforward. Like it tells you the steps to do, I guess, and it's really easy to write a review, and it's not like you have to buy anything new. Just any products that you use you could review on there because they have almost everything, like skincare, makeup, nail care, food products. They have everything that you could review. So if you're interested in doing some reviews, then maybe you could get some free product as well. So I just wanted to post this just in case you guys were interested and wanted to try to get free product yourself from Influenster. If you've ever gotten anything from them, like a VOXBOX, comment below what you got. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos every week, usually 1 or 2 videos a week. Thank you so much and have a great day.